Welcome to Poddar Group of Institutions, established in 1998 with the legacy of 26 years of excellence in education. We are presently running 6 institutes and 3 campuses in the prominent places of the Pink City, Jaipur. The founder and chairman of Poddar Group of Institutions, Dr. Anand Poddar, believes in youth empowerment for nation building.
Poddar Group of Institution is a synonym of vibrancy, dynamism and innovation with a large focus on skill development of the students with an interest on and research and development.
The vice chairperson of Poddar Group, Ms. Rupal Poddar, who has been the guiding light of the institution, and under her enterprising leadership, the group has grown and prospered. Today, Poddar Group stands apart as has been ranked 1 in Rajasthan, ranked 22 in India for return on investment among top B schools by Business Today, and ranked 87th under top B schools in India by Times B Schools.
The club culture of Poddar International College helps the student in discovering themselves and provides them a sense of belonging.
We are the only college in Rajasthan to have Center of Excellence of Apple Laboratory under the MOU with Inspire Infotech Private Limited.
As a head training, it's my role to create experiential learning for the students in campus for their overall personality development.
From smart classrooms to state-of-the-art science laboratories, auditoriums, modern design studios,
Namaskar, I am Dr. Ruchir Saxena and Head IT and Innovation Ambassador, Government of India. See, we believe in the vision of our Prime Minister. We provide education in the sector of IT, not to build the job seekers, to job providers.
Fully equipped computer labs, library and cafeteria. We provide everything under one roof, making it convenient for students. One of the group's finest colleges, Poddar International College, affiliated to the University of Rajasthan, Jaipur, is certainly positioned and equipped with all amenities. The NAAC accredited has received several extremely significant accolades, including Associate's Best Upcoming Higher Education Institute of Rajasthan, granted by the MHRD, New Delhi. Poddar Business School, approved by AICTE, offering next-gen PGDM program with global immersion, IIM exposure focused on experiential learning and advanced pedagogy, has a lush green state-of-the-art campus located in the midst of Jaipur's educational and industrial hub. Around 15 additional national and international certificates from prestigious organizations gives the candidates a winning edge. AICTE approved and Rajasthan Technical University affiliated Poddar Management and Technical Campus has long list of accolades. The college has established a standard to prepare students for emerging from business difficulties by providing them with SPSS, business analytics, financial modeling and IT-based solutions. At the same time, through its incubation center, students are exposed to a new generation of entrepreneurs who are coached by mentors and business executives. Poddar Management Training Institute, a B.Ed college authorized by NCTE and connected with the University of Rajasthan, is emphasizing qualitative and creative teaching approaches as well as experiential and research-oriented learning. Poddar International College of Pharmacy, recognized by the Pharmacy Council of India as a pharmacy school. D.Pharma is a popular degree that is taught in sophisticated labs with high-tech pharmacy equipment. Diversity is at the heart of Poddar. Our variety of departments ensures that every student finds their unique path, whether it's shaping their future in management, design, computer applications, science, pharmacy, B.Ed, arts and commerce. Poddar offers a platform for every passion. Experience the vibrant life at Poddar, where excitement fills every moment with extracurricular activities and dynamic festivals. From management to cultural and technical fest, there is never a dull moment on our campus.
We here at Poddar have great academics, diverse fests, concerts, workshops and whatnot. I am proud to be a Poddarite.
With over 21,000 alumni placed in 575 plus top-notch companies such as Amazon, Paytm, Google, AU Small Finance Bank, Flipkart and Reliance. We guarantee 100% placement assistance. This is Poddar Group of Institutions, a dynamic place where education is purposeful, transformative and empowering.